Hi guys, good evening. I'm just finished my work and now I clean my face, fixing my hair, combing my hair, then I go to sleep. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well. While watching me, wherever you are guys, how are you? How's you doing guys? I hope you're doing well. To all my friends, to all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. This is only like facial cleanser guys. It's only cleanser because I don't want to put like something else in my face. Only like facial cleanser. Like excessive dirt, dust. How are you guys? I hope all of you are in a good condition right now. Okay, I'm finished and now fixing my hair. Fixing my hair guys. How are you doing guys? I hope you're doing well. It's already long guys. Fixing it because only this time before I go to bed, only this time I comb my hair like a little bit longer because guys, sometimes in the morning when I woke up late, then I uh, fix fast my uh, self because I have work. Then I woke up late in the morning. That's why I have no time to. I have. I don't have like how. I don't have a long time to comb my hair because I'm going to work now. Only this time. This every like evening when I go to bed. It's already long, right, guys? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you're doing well while watching me. Keep safe, everyone. As I always said, thank you for watching and be safe as always. And now I go to sleep. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much. And to all my friends, stay safe, guys. And God bless you all. God bless us all. Keep safe, everyone. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye!